Here it says the number of toothpicks in a box is stated as 50, but the actual number of toothpicks has been found to vary. To investigate this, the number of toothpicks in a box was counted for a sample of 60 boxes. The result where you see the result here for 60 boxes. Use Italian frequency table to organize this data. Display the data using a column graph. Describe the distribution of the data. What percentage of the box contain exactly 52 picks? Okay, first of all, I start for part A. For part A, I put a Italian frequency table here. The first column, I put the number of toothpicks that include each box. Second column, I show the tally column that very fifth number close the group with a crossing line. We know about the tally, and so any fifth close to the group. And the third column, I put their frequency. The total of my frequency would be the total of my boxes that I am investigating to see how many textbooks include for each of box. So anyway, I start from the smallest number. Smallest here is 47. So each box that include 47 toothpicks, I write here 47. I see I only have one, so I put one here and one here. I will go for the next one, would be the smallest, would be 48. Each box that include 48 toothpicks. So I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I said for Sally, I make a group with any fifth, make a group. So 5. I will go for 49. The next one would be 49. I put 49 here. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I look to see I have more 49 or not. Oh, 10. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one group. 10. So 10. Now I will go for 50. 50. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. The second group 1, 2, 3, 4. The third group 1, 2, 3, 4. The first group, 1, 2, 3. So for group of 5 and 3, so 23 is my frequency. I would go for 51, 51. Each box that includes 51, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will see I have more 51 or not. Here, aha, 10. 10, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. One group of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Two group of 5. So 10 and 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. One group of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 9 and 53 would be the last one. That here 1 and here 2. So 2, 1, 2, 2. If you add all this frequency up, you will see you have 60. That's 60 boxes that we counted the toothpicks inside it. Okay, inside them. Okay, it's my frequency table, tablet and frequency table. Now I am gonna part 2 display the data using a column graph. Okay, so for part 2 or B part B, I draw a graph, and here for the vertical axis I put frequency. For horizontal axis I put the number of toothpicks. Okay, so the number of toothpicks started from 47 to 53, so I put the number 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, and 53. And I go for frequency. For 47, I had only one. So if I consider one here, so it would be here, 47. Okay. And for 48, I had 5. See, 48, I had 5. So 48, 5. If I consider 5 here, I bring 5. And okay. And for 49, I have 10. So I will go for 10. Let's get 10 here. Okay. I'm gonna draw a column bar graph. So for column graph, I draw a column here. For 50, I had 23. That would be here. For 50, it was 23. So I try to draw a line here. Okay, and for 51, it's 10. For 51, it's 10. Again, I get 10 here. Ten here. Okay. Now for 52, it's 9. That would a little shorter than 10. I get here. And for 53, it's 2. I get it here. Okay. I try to fill this column. And it's my column graph for part B. And we will go for part C, describe the distribution of the data. If you look at the data on this graph, you will see it's a graph like this. You will see it's a graph like this. So I can say yeah, approximately symmetrical. It's approximately symmetrical. So I can say it's approximately symmetrical because follow the symmetrical graph. Not skewed positively or not skewed negatively. If you look at this graph, it's symmetrical, approximately symmetrical. So for part C, I can write approximately symmetrical. So approximately symmetrical. If I want, okay, I can't. Okay. What percentage of box contain exactly 50 toothpicks? Okay, exactly 50. So 50 is 23. 50 is 23. So for part D, I say 23 out of. What's my total boxes that I investigate? Is 60. So times 100 gives me the percentage of the of the bikes that contain 50 toothpicks. Okay, so it's almost 38.3%. So it's almost 38.3%.